All right, hello, coworkers, friends, and whoever else is watching this. As promised, all of you, I have gotten the Dave's Hot Chicken Carolina Reaper one, the one I have to sign a waiver for. In case something goes wrong, have my cup of milk, Mothman cup, and here. This is it. I got the no slaw option. So I'm gonna eat this without drinking any milk while doing this. I'm gonna drink it before I eat, but I'm gonna have a sip. All right. Now I'm gonna eat this without drinking that, hopefully. Already starting to feel it. So good. Hiccups. Happens when I eat spicy food. Ooh, lips are already starting to burn. I already ate that long nugget. Now for the bun and everything else. Ooh. That's some spicy stuff. Either I've gotten used to it or the bread makes it less spicy. Almost done. I can tell by I'm just sweating all sorts right now. Nose running a little bit too. Ooh, this is hot. All right, I've eaten the whole thing. Tastes very good. Unlike all those other stores that lie about like ghost pepper sandwiches and stuff, this is the real deal. Ooh, I'm feeling it. So, the wait, by the way, for this was the entirety of the Take On Me song, so that was pretty funny. And here is my waiver that I had to sign. I was going to read it all, but I'm in desperate need of some milk right now. So, um, but yeah, that was the sandwich. So I'm going to go quench my fire in my mouth now. So, cheers.